I'm going to show you how to use OverDrive, our digital library. And the first step is to, on your device, go to your App Store, whether it's the App Store or the Google Play Store. Wherever you buy apps, you'll go there and you'll search for the OverDrive app. So I already had typed in OverDrive and here it is. Okay, so I'm going to download it. It's a free app, so you don't have to pay. Usually downloads pretty quickly. Okay, once it downloads, you're going to open it. It will bring you to this screen. You are going to click at the very bottom where it says continue that you are under 13 years old or using OverDrive through your school. So you'll click that. Okay, then it will prompt you to add a library. So you'll click the plus sign and type in health careers. And then search, select health careers, and then under library systems, you're going to click where it says Northside Independent School District. Okay, then it will prompt you to log in. And to log in, you're just going to use either your S number if you're a student or your employee number. Okay, so, oopsie. You're going to put that in. You can check this box if you don't want to have to do that every time. Okay, and then voila, you're in and you can browse our selection. Okay, so a couple of things to point out. The books, you can search by title if you just know the title and you want to search a specific one. You can look through the collections, books that were recently added. You can search by ebook or by audiobook, depending on your preference. Okay, or you can search by genre or subject. Okay, so I'm just going to go to the newly added ebooks. Okay, on the screen, when you see a book cover, if the book icon is black, that means it's available, and you would click borrow. Okay, but sometimes you'll see that books have a grayed out book. That means that it's currently checked out, but you can place it on a hold. If you place it on a hold, it will ask for your email address and then will notify you whenever that book is available, and it will automatically check it out to you. Okay, so let's say I want to check out this book. I'm going to click on it, click borrow. Okay, and then I'm going to go to my checkouts. Okay, so you have a maximum of 5 checkouts at one time. Okay, so when you're in your checkouts, you can either read it with your Kindle app if you have that. You can read it in your browser. If you read it in your browser, it's going to take, you have to be connected to the internet. Okay, so I always suggest downloading it to your device, where you would click here, add to app, the red button. Okay, and then it says title added. Then to actually access the book, you will go to the menu, the top at the top left-hand corner, the 3 lines, and then click on your bookshelf, and there's the book. It tells you how long you have it for 21 days, so 3 weeks. Okay, you click the book cover to start reading, and then you just swipe. Okay, to get back to, to get back to the library, you're going to click on the 3 lines and go back to the north side option. And really quickly, I want to show you what the audiobook looks like. So if you don't have time to read, but you still like enjoying books, audiobooks are a great option because you can listen in the car or while you're doing chores. So I'm going to click on this one. The icon is headphones for audiobook. This one is available. So I'm going to click it, click borrow. I'm going to go to my checkouts. Okay, and then with the audio, I also have the option to listen to it in my browser where I would need internet or to download it. I'm going to download it. Okay, the audiobooks take a little bit longer to download, but it's not that long, maybe a couple minutes. Okay, so in the meantime, I'm going to show you if you want to return, if you finish reading the book before the 21 days, you can go back here and click return so that somebody else can check it out. Okay, otherwise, at the end of the 21 days, it automatically returns itself. Okay, so to get that audiobook, I'm going to go back to the menu at the top, the 3 lines, and then go to my bookshelf. Okay, and there is my audiobook, and I can see that now it's completely downloaded. So I'll click the cover to start it.
Random House Audio presents The Barrowfields by Philip Lewis.
Okay, and then you listen to your book. Okay, and that is OverDrive in a nutshell. If you have any questions or need any help, please feel free to come see me in the library. Thanks.